Klan.
Kanda pi tharai kan ni ka bisa. Kali jona kan ni. Ba ka hospital te kala ajkai nang ni.
Binti aswa hang ni hadu nda de por kamu.
Sister, hap siu kat nama?
Ka sarkar kala siulut jing separo. Namar man ka way pa ka way ka minsiam ka long ka koridor.
Samangat! General Salute! Selamat! Cas!
Ya kini ke Surok bagi Jingkieng ke Thymmai kabadai ha ke Umiam bypass lapli ru sembut menteri rang ba ke jelau ba kemi akatanat PWD roads and buildings uba Prestone tensong ha ka khatlai trek ujemang arhajar arpun rio rengkat ke jingidan lang u commissioner bat secretary katanat PWD usan Jegoyal u chief engineer ke PWD deputy commissioner ke district East Khasi Hills bat ADC ke Ribhoi superintendent ki Pulet Jong East Khasi Hills bat Ribhoi ki engineer bat ki officer sarkar ki nongelam shnong bat ki pat bat nong shnong Laban ong ba ke jingshna ke sarkar ke Surok ke badan ar kilometer tam ba ke Jingkieng ke bajrong nyuk san mitar ke badan harum jong ke jaka ke bajuplaj nagadam site kadai hadian ba ke Jingkieng hadam site kelas sedang senjor bat kam tam habal khang senon ya barok ki kali he ba ke niat na ke Jingkieng kenang ba kan ombo jengma Nado bakang ye ki kali he baniat na Jingkieng dam site ki bas night super kelah ban lengno haga banta ke basharum jong kepung Umiam haga ban penhiar ban kentiau gi pat ba nong nong wan bat kani klebu iki haga jing e kumta banta du koi pat kalat ke sarkar kelasna ke Jingkieng bat ke Surok nang bagi kali he kamtam e ki bas night super ki bakit ki pat ba ki belet chiwe pat ki jela ki nyo kalat ban let bat ban wan chado ka ISBT ke badan hamaulai mauyong Hasilong.
Ki bus, ki nag super, ki truck, ki heavy loaded vehicles mo, ki klem yo so ban, ki klem yo so ban let nom ni Surok, ka por ka lakta, ka jinglot jingsep, yo malik ro, yagi tu ki kali lene ki kali ki motor, ki kali he lene ki bus, kala kam lut so namar ha jaka ban let nane ban po Shillong ni hap pendon kam yuni Surok bypass ter kumne ban let na morong keneng ban po Shillong ban kit kita kitiar kita rene ki bos pat ki bon ba ki yeng hangte hapo dam sa hangte namar bali ka daw kolong ba kimlong sore ban yat na gani ka Jingkieng namar ka don ka jingthot igani ka Jingkieng lene ka lakut ya ka snem lene ka orang tiga jong ka kumala ai ka company naddo ki por manswana ne mandai tengah kini ka por ngaso ban ai kublei i deputy chief minister jongi ka jingyo i jingai ka jongi bat ka government ka jongi kila penmi ya gani ka Jingkieng kenang ban suk kini ki bus lene ki kali he ki heavy loaded vehicle ban yat na uni Surok nane sangmat ngatarai ki bus ro ki kala kam suk ban yat ki kali ra sulat bat kamtam kate ka ISBT ka jongi kanamlong sore ka bakenja kan long no ka bahui hui nado nane sakmat dalalat yo ni Jingkieng yo ni Surok namakat kini ki por ki bladep ni ka ISBT ka jongi ro ha ngi sotho ka jakayeng jong ki bus ki bawan ki per ki state ki jela tamba kalong kenja no namar ba mlong re ban yat tementa ikan mas kem ni sakmat kan long functional ba bat ngas kan long functional ba bat sagawero ngayos nyo ka government kamudra no ya gani ka DTO office ro sene sa po building jong ka SBT tengah so banay kublay sar Prestone tensong iblayu i jingai bat ke department ke jong i bala ai uni Jingkieng nene sakmar kan long kayat kayeng ke besuk.
think almost 2 years now, we were not able to allow the commercial vehicles to ply over the main check dam bridge due to so many reasons and recommendations made by the experts and the technical teams. So on the basis of that, we have to do the restriction. During the course of the restriction, a lot of requests, a lot of complaints reached to the government from different channels, requesting the government to find out alternative, to find out ways and means, and also to make sure that the traffic movement towards Shillong or outside Shillong should be to the nearest distance like before. So on the basis of that, we were trying to find out ways and means, and ultimately we identified that the temporary solution has to be created, and we decided to sanction this alternate bridge and also approach road, at least to shorten the burden of the stakeholders across the state. So friends, I'm so happy today. I think PWD has created a record that the project has started last year only. It's almost 12 months now. Today we are going to inaugurate this alternate approach, and I'm so thankful to the executive engineer of Omsning division along with his team for being able to complete this project before time. And I would also like to add, there are so many similar projects which we would like to make sure that the completion is on or before time always.